Hey there, folks. Today, I'm excited to talk about a game changer for your refrigerator, the 6500JB2002XCM refrigerator thermistor temperature sensor. If you've ever dealt with frustrating temperature inconsistencies or mysterious cooling malfunctions in your fridge, this little gadget could be your saving grace. Let's break it down. This sensor is specifically designed to replace several part numbers including 6500JB2002X, 6500JB2002P, 6500JB2002E, AP55944347, and PS11706502. That means whether you have an LG or Kenmore refrigerator, this bad boy has got you covered. Installation is a breeze. With just one of these sensors, you'll notice a significant improvement in your fridge's performance. No more worrying about your food going bad because of uneven temperatures or unexpected breakdowns. And let's talk about warranty. This product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month worry-free warranty. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. So, if you're tired of dealing with fridge issues and want a reliable solution, look no further than the 6500JB2002XCM refrigerator thermistor temperature sensor. Trust me, your fridge will thank you for it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.